Hello, my friends. So I started with the City Sites card kit that was from, I think that was a June kit. It comes with a stamp set, two different images, a block, tape, and a little mini ink, all the sentiments you need, an instruction sheet that gives you two different cards and how you can design them. And then you get, I think this one was 5 of each, or four, it's either 4 or 5 of each that it originally creates. Oh, it shows me right on the front. 1, 2, 3, 4 of each. So it's intended to be 8 cards. So here are, you know me, I can't do it the way you tell me to do it. So I added some foam tape, I added some paper, I brought in the circle, oh, what is it called? Spotlight on Nature dies. That's where all those circles came from, is a Spotlight on Nature dies. I threw in some sapphire ink in addition to the, what color is this one? Pebbled Path ink that it comes with. So I got my layout done and I'm going to walk you through how I did that. But here's the cards. Let me pull the layout out of the way for just a second and show you all of these fun cards that I was able to create. Oop, there we go. But wait, there's more. Oh, yes, there's more. All right, so we still end up with 8 cards. And how I did that is the backs are beautiful. So this is actually the back side of this card. Here's the front, here's the back. I stamped on it, took the circle from the front of one of these cards, put it there. So you can just, kind of play around. Let me see. I think this was one of the, oh no, that was my design. So here's one of the originals. This is what you could do. If you did it exactly the way they say, you could get 4 of these cards and the back would be lovely. And where's the other one? No, must be this one. It's gotta be. This one is the other original, and I didn't use all the gems on here that they did because I needed them for my layout. Okay, so I took some extra cardstock and cut this one down and used some circles from the scraps, because obviously once you do this, you've got corners from that card front that you can still cut down and do other shapes. So that's all I did, was just kind of cut it all down into pieces. And I did all that after I created this, because I wanted a layout using these stunning papers. So I just added 2 kind of light gray pieces of cardstock, some pattern paper. This is from the Country Lace collection, the Stampin' Up! Country Lace collection. And I tore these pieces. And then before I, taped that down, I just used the stamp and stamped that city all the way across the bottom there. Then if you look close, I've got some of those little dotty, I did 2nd generation, so I made it a little bit lighter using that image to create kind of clouds up in there and over here. And the sentiments were just sentiments I had from my stash. So if you got my, oh, and sorry, I forgot, you still have all these 8 beautiful envelopes that go with your cards to do that. So if you get my kit, you get this instruction sheet, the photo mats, all of the pieces that are added on to create the layouts. The 8 card bases are here. Remember, because we're going to be mounting them on something else, and the paper that you need to create this layout. In addition to the Site City box that has inside of it all of these pieces and the stamp set and that, and I ended up with, I didn't use any of the non-English pieces. So later I'm going to flip those over and I have all these shapes for sentiments that I can use later. Bloody brilliant. And you've got a block. Although I don't find these ones that comfortable to use. So these might end up being my spares that I bring to the kids. But I hope that you enjoy this. I'm loving these card boxes, you guys. I think they're a wonderful tool for us to kind of bounce off of and create just some beautiful artwork. So if you see any of these card kits, they come out with 2 every single month. Thank you, Stampin' Up. I'm loving these card kits. If you like one of them, grab it and see all the different things that you can create with it. I'd love to see your artwork. Share with me.